What's going on, guys? So I get a lot of questions on what are some ways to wholesale houses and get leads, and one of the most basic ways is by bandit signs. Bandit signs still work. We're in 2023 and we get a lot of leads using bandit signs. And yeah, we do mostly wholesale houses virtually, but I do like to do traditional deals sometimes, and using bandit signs still work in this market. So I'm over in Oklahoma City, and we get maybe 10 to 15 seller leads per week using bandit signs. So if you aren't using bandit signs in your market, give it a shot. They still work. You can actually hire somebody to go and put the signs out for you if you don't have the time to do it. I'm out driving for dollars a couple times a month, so when I'm out driving for dollars, I'll find a spot to put a sign and I'll just do it. So anyways, if you have any questions, definitely let me know, and let's crush the rest of this year.